Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I would like to share with you how I made a winter door sign using your Cricut, along with some tips and tricks on how I made this project a success. The first thing I wanted to share with you that under the title, you'll notice there's a paragraph. If you click on Show More, I have here basically a step-by-step instructions on how I made this wood round, along with a link to my project in Cricut Design Space, the fonts that I used and the links to that, which were from dafont.com. They are free for personal use, and if you wish to purchase a commercial license, that's available as well. Along with my Facebook, Instagram information, and links for products that I used in this tutorial. So now I'm going to show you how to access my project. If you click on the link here, it opens Cricut Design Space. Then you'll click on Edit a Copy. After you click on that, you're going to see a notification that says Missing Content. This project contains fonts that are not installed on your computer. If you make any edits to this text, Bunny Baby will default to Arial. And basically, you're still able to adjust sizing and move things around, but you cannot change the words itself unless you download the font into Cricut Design Space. If you notice in the Layers section and scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the circle that I have here along with a notification. Basically, that's just saying that it's not supported by my machine, and that's because my wood round was 14 inches long and the Cricut can only cut a maximum of 12 inches. So prior to cutting this out, I need to make sure that I hide this layer or else it will not work. If you choose to create yours from scratch, I highly recommend making a round circle to the same size as the wood that you plan on using for your sign so that you can get wording and positioning correct prior to cutting. And now we're ready to make it.
this video, give her a thumbs up.